Kamusta yung preparation nyo for against Ginebra? So far?
Okay naman. Ngayon, ready na kami. One day, bukas. Everyone's 100%. Medyo mataas na rin yung moral namin. Yung confidence nandun. So, yeah, medyo mahaba rin yung preparation namin eh. So, it's either an advantage or disadvantage. Diba? Alam nyo naman yung basketball. So, but I think everyone's ready naman for tomorrow's game.
Yung Ginebra kasi coming off Aguilas team, do you think it can also work into their disadvantage na pagod sila? I believe kararating lang nila eh. So ano lang ang tingin mo doon? Pagod naman sila.
Either or din eh. It's either, di ba, momentum, the guys who played, or siyempre yung fatigue factor din yun eh. Kasi biyahe sila pa Taiwan, tas pa New Zealand, then balik dito. But hindi naman kami masyado nag-focus doon, di ba? We're focusing on kung anong ginagawa namin as a team. And whatever yung preparation ng Ginebra, it's on them na, di ba? Hindi namin tinitingnan na pagod sila, di ba? We're expecting them to be 100% coming into the series. So it's gonna be fun.
Do you see this as a long series against Ginebra?
I can't really say kasi diba, knowing Ginebra, they're a great team. Advantage sila in terms of experience. Kasi most of us are first timers here sa semifinals. Actually, dalawa, tatlo lang ata kami nila Sid na may experience dito ng semifinals. Most of us first time pa mag-playoffs eh. So that's a big advantage of course for Ginebra. But the thing is itong mga teammates ko, they're hungry eh. They're not here to for experience, they're here to really win. So we'll see. I can't really say. But I hope, diba, na maging short in our side, but diba, we'll see.
Kumusta naman kasi siyempre galing kang Ginebra. Although natanong na namin to dati sa'yo, but ano lang masasabi mo na you're facing your old team, coach team had a lot of positive things to say about you recently. So you're playing at an MVP level.
Exciting actually. Very excited ako nung nalaman namin sila yung makakatapat namin. But at the same time, di ba, malakas yung Ginebra eh. Medyo may ka rin. May ano man tawag dito. Not naman doubt. Pero di ba parang medyo careful ka pa rin dahil malakas yung Ginebra. Even though kami nag-number 1 dito ngayong conference. Pero syempre Ginebra is Ginebra. Playoffs is a different world, sabi ko nga sa mga. So kung ano man yung nangyari nung eliminations, like nanalo kami, wala na yun eh. Kumbaga pass na yun. This is a different team na makakalaban namin. And yeah, excited daw kasi di ba, Ginebra, former team, former teammates, former coach, parang everyone there, very close din ako. So, I'm excited.